morning students. Now today we are going to learn how can we solve a quadratic equation by factorization. Okay. So this is the quadratic equation students. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So how can we factorize it? We have drawn a line for rough work student. First of all we have to multiply this c to a. C value minus 2, A value 3. So minus 2 multiplied by 3, you can see here, answer is minus 6. Now students, we have to find out two factors or two numbers which product equals to minus 6 and whose sum equals to minus 5, because we need minus 5 student. So 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 6. If we take these factors 3 plus minus 2, so its result is not equals to minus 5. Their sum is not equals to minus 5. So that's why we have to think about other number. So if we multiply minus 6 into 1, then answer is minus 6. And if we add both of them, then answer is minus 5 and we need minus 5. So our factors will be minus 6 and 1. So at the place of minus 5x, we can write minus 6x plus 1x. Okay? Because the correct factors are minus 6 and 1. Minus 6x plus 1x. Minus 2. If you want to calculate here, your answer is coming minus 5x. Correct? Now student, we have to make pair and then take common. So first pair is this 3x square minus 6x. Again second pair plus 1x minus 2. So what is the common here students? You can see 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. Both of them here are divided by 3. So we are going to take 3 common and you can see here 2x. Is there only 1x? 1x is common in both. 3x is common. What left? 3 1 ja 3. X cancel. Only 1x left here. So we have to write x minus minus. And let us divide 3 2 ja 6. 2 is coming here. X minus 2. Let us see what is the common here student. Nothing is common. Okay. So when nothing is common, we have to take one student. Correct? Because one is common in all. That's why we can take one common. So this value will remain as it is. X minus 2. And now student, you have to check both brackets should be same. Correct? So you can see the values in both brackets are same here. So x minus 2 is common in both. So we are going to take x minus 2 common. What left here? 3x plus 1 1. 3x plus 1 left equal to 0. Now students, when their product equals to 0, when x minus 2 0 or 3x plus 1 equals 0. So that's why we can write here x minus 2 0 or 3x plus 1 equals to 0. When we solve it, x value equals to 2, here 3x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1 upon 3. So we have got two roots of this quadratic equation student. First root alpha equal to 2, second root beta equals to minus 1 upon 3. Let us take different other questions. Question is 2x square plus 5 upon 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So I am going to take first common to make it in proper form ax square plus bx plus c. So what is the LCM here? 3. Write first 1 1 upon 1 upon 1. Then take LCM students. 3 is LCM. divide by 1, 3 multiply by 2, 6x square, divide by denominator, then multiply by numerator. Here also student divide by denominator, 1 is coming, 3 1 is 3, 1 multiply by 5, 5x. Now divide by denominator student, 1, 3 is 3, 3 multiply by 2, minus 6 equal to 0. Now we can do cross multiplication here student. So 3 multiplied by 0 becomes 0. Now we can write 6x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Now students, again we have to do the same thing here. The c value minus 6 and a value 6. So now minus 6 multiplied by 6, c into a, minus 36 student, you can see on the left side. Now student, we have to find out two numbers whose product equals to minus 36 and whose sum equals to plus 5. Correct? If we take two numbers minus 9 into 4, 9 4 is 36. If we take minus 9 into 4, the product is coming minus 36. But minus 9 plus 4, it is not coming plus 5. We need plus 5 student. So it is not correct. If we take 9 into minus 4, if we give this minus 9 to 4, 9 into minus 4, then its product is coming minus 36. And their sum is coming 5. 9 plus minus 4 equals to 5. So it is correct. Okay. So our correct factors are 9 and minus 4. So at the place of 5x, we can write plus 9x because 9 is positive. Minus 4x. 9x minus 4x. Correct? Because plus minus minus. That's why 9x minus 4x. Minus 6 as it is. Okay students. Now we have to make pair, then take common student. What is the common here? 3, because 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9, and x is also common. So 3x is common. What left here? 3 2 is 6, 2, and 1x will remain here. 2x plus 3 3 is 9, 3 is coming 3. So 2x plus 3. What is the common here student? 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. 2 is common. X is not common because 6 have no x. So only 2 is common. So minus 2 is common now students. Minus sign is outside. That's why sign will be changed inside. So 2 2 is 4. 2x plus 3. Correct? When we take minus common, then we have to change the sign. Both brackets should be same. You can see students, both are coming same. So 2x plus 3 is common in both. What left? 3x minus 2. So both are equals to 0. Both products are equals to 0 students. So we can say 2x plus 3 equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So 3 will transpose this side. So 2x equals to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 by 2. And similarly here students, minus 2 will transpose this side, become positive. X equal to 2 upon 3. So these are two roots. Alpha equal to 2 upon 3 and beta equals to minus 2 upon 3. If you want to write alpha equals to minus 2 upon 3 and beta equals to 2 upon 3, you can write. Okay students. Now take next example students. In this example you can see question is 3 root 2x square minus 5x minus root 2 equal to 0. So this is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Correct students? So c value minus root 2 and a value 3 root 2. So we have to multiply both of them. Minus root 2 multiplied by 3 root 2. Let us multiply here. On left side student, 3 root 2 into minus root 2, root 2, root 2, 2. And 3 as it is, root 2, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Correct? Now student, we have to find two numbers whose product equals to minus 6 and whose sum equals to minus 5, because we need minus 5 students, you can see here. So if we take the number 6 into minus 1, their product is coming minus 6, but their sum is not coming 5. Okay, their sum is coming 5, but we need what? We need minus 5, student. So 6 plus minus 1 equals to 5. It is not equals to minus 5, so it is wrong. If we take minus 6 into 1, then product is minus 6 and their sum is minus 5. So this is the correct one. So our factors are minus 6 plus 1. Okay, that's why we can write here minus 6x, because x is also there. Minus 6x plus 1x minus root 2 equal to 0. Now students, we are facing difficulty here to take common. That's why we have to split 6. So we can write 6 first, 3 into 2, rest part as it is. And you can see root 2 is there, so we can write 2 equals to root 2 into root 2. So students, when you will face problem or difficulty to take common, in the case of radical sign, numbers are there, so you have to factorize it first. This, get the factor 3 into 2, then 2 can be factorized. It can be written root 2 into root 2. So 6 can be written as 3 into root 2 into root 2. Step by step you can write. Now you can see, student, easily you can take common here. 3 root 2, here also 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 is common and x is common in both. 3 root 2x, what left here? Only x left. Divided, 3 cancel, root 2 cancel, x cancel, it means root 2 only left here. So x minus root 2. Now what is common here, student? Nothing. So when nothing is common, we can take 1, because 1 is common in all. Correct? So x minus root 2 will remain as it is here. Both brackets should be same. Always remember, student. So x minus root 2, x minus root 2, both are same. We can take common x minus root 2. What left here? 3 root 2x here plus 1. Correct, students? So we have got two factors. So when the product of them equals to 0, when x minus 2 equal to 0, or 3 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That's why we have written here x equal to root 2, student. 1 will transpose this side, become negative. 3 root 2 equals to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 upon 3 root 2. We have got two numbers, student. If you want to rationalize it, you can. If you want to write as it is, you can. So first root is alpha equal to root 2 and second root beta equals to minus 1 upon 3 root 2. Let us take one more example, student. Question number 4. 3x square plus 5 root 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. In previous question you have seen radical sign in both a and c, but here there is radical sign in only b, not a and c. Let us find out roots by the factorization. So minus 10 multiplied by 3, minus 30. Okay. 3 into minus 10, minus 30. Now problem is there, student, with radical sign. How can we get the factors? So I am going to tell you about a very easy trick. If there is a radical sign in the b part only, so what you will do, you will divide the product by the value which is inside the radical sign. What is the inside in radical sign? 5 is there inside the radical sign, student. Always remember, the value which is inside the radical sign, by that value we have divide the product. 5 6 are 30, minus 6 is coming. Now student, we have to find out two numbers whose product is minus 6 and whose sum is plus 5. Okay, this number we have to find out. You can leave root 5, correct? So minus 6 into 1 equals to minus 6 is coming, correct? But their sum is not coming minus 5, it is coming 5. Okay, correct. We need 5, but it is not coming 5, it is coming minus 5. Now student, if we take the number 6 into minus 1, so 6 into minus 1, minus 6, and 6 plus minus 1, 5, it is coming 5 students. So our factor 6 and minus 1. Now here, give both of them to root 5. Okay. Earlier we have divided it the value which is inside the radical sign to make our question easy, so that you can easily find out factor. So now here we have got the factors 6 and minus 1. So now students, we can give both of them root 5, root 5. So our required factors are 6 root 5 minus root 5. Here x also there, so we can write 6 root 5x minus root 5x. Okay. 6 root 5x minus root 5, because minus 1 into root 5 minus root 5. Correct? Now make pair, then take common. What is the common here? 3. So 3 and x is also common. What left? Divide, 3 3 cancel, x cancel, 1x left here, plus 3 2 is 6, 2, or x cancel, so 2 root 5 left here. X plus 2 root 5. What is the common here? Facing problem, students. Then find out its factor first. Split 10. So 5 into 2 we can write. Again 5 can be written what? Root 5 into root 5. Okay, now you can easily take common, student. Root 5 is common. Minus root 5 common. What left here? X. Divide, minus cancel, become plus, root 5 cancel. What left here? 2 root 5. So x plus 2 root 5. So you can remember, student, when the minus sign will be taken common, the sign will be changed here. Correct? X plus 2 root 5, x plus 2 root 5. X plus 2 root 5 is common in both. What left here? 3x minus root 5. Correct, students? So x plus 2 root 5 and 3x minus root 5, these are two factors. So if x plus 2 root 5 equal to 0 or 3x minus root 5 equal to 0, then it is equals to 0. That's why we can write here x plus 2 root 5 equal to 0. So x equals to minus 2 root 5, 3x minus root 5 equal to 0, 3x equal to root 5, x equal to root 5 on 3. So okay, students.